Join me as I dive into the world of M2 SSDs to find out just how fast I can push this technology to its limits. They offer blazing fast speeds, low power consumption, and compact designs that make them the perfect upgrade for laptops and desktops alike. But just how fast can these tiny SSDs go? That's what we're here to find out. Understanding the limits of M2 SSD speeds can be a daunting task, even for tech enthusiasts. With so many manufacturers touting their products as the fastest on the market, it's hard to separate fact from fiction. But as users, it's crucial that we have a clear understanding of what we're getting into. After all, upgrading your storage can be a costly affair, and you want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. The question is, when it comes to M2 SSDs, speed is everything. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just a general user, you want to be able to access your files and programs quickly and efficiently. And with the rapid advancement of technology, it's no wonder that M2 SSD speeds are getting faster by the day. But what are the real-world implications of these speeds? At my handle name. The truth is, understanding M2 SSD speeds requires a deep dive into the technical specifications of these devices. From the type of NAND flash used to the controllers that manage data transfer, every component plays a vital role in determining just how fast your M2 SSD can go. And with new technologies emerging all the time, it's a constant battle to stay ahead of the curve. Moving on, let's take a closer look at some of the top M2 SSD models on the market, comparing their specifications and speeds to get a better sense of just what's possible. From Samsung's X8700 to Western Digital's Black SN750, we'll explore the current speed records and what sets these SSDs apart from the rest. One thing that becomes clear when looking at these top models is just how much variation there is in terms of speed. While some M2 SSDs are capable of reaching read and write speeds of over 7,000 megabytes per second, others lag behind, struggling to break the 3,000 megabytes per second mark. So what's behind these differences, and how do manufacturers manage to squeeze out every last bit of performance from their devices? When you start to dig into the technical details, it becomes clear that there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to M2 SSD speeds. Different manufacturers use different technologies and approaches to achieve their speeds, and it's a constant game of cat and mouse as they try to outdo one another. The question is, so, what is the fastest M2 SSD speed currently available? At my handle name, the technology behind the FireCuda 530 is truly cutting edge, leveraging advanced controllers and NAND flash to achieve its record-breaking speeds. And the implications are massive. With speeds this fast, users can expect to see massive boosts in performance, from faster loading times to improved overall system responsiveness. In conclusion, the world of M2 SSDs is a complex and rapidly evolving one, with speeds getting faster by the day. By understanding the technical specifications and limitations of these devices, users can make informed decisions when it comes to upgrading their storage. And with the Seagate FireCuda 530 leading the charge, it's an exciting time to be exploring the world of M2 SSDs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave your thoughts on M2 SSD speeds in the comments below. If you're looking for more tech insights, be sure to check out my other videos for the latest and greatest in the world of technology.